How to redeem PayPal gift card. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly on how you can go ahead and do this. Now you want to go ahead and log into your PayPal application or your PayPal browser right here. And right after that, you can just head over to the wallets category. You can go ahead and browse through categories above your screen right here. From here, you have multiple options. For example, link a bank, link a card, and you also have your currencies right here. You simply want to go ahead and click on link a card button, and right after that, it will then go ahead and take us to this page. And so to proceed, all you have to do is to enter the card details of your gift card right here. You can just go ahead and find the card number, expiration, and CVV on the physical card itself. From there, you will be able to use this card in order to use this as for your payments. Now, if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.